there, fellow cat fanatics. Welcome back to the channel where we react to the funniest, cutest, and downright silliest cats on the internet. So here's our furry superstar, looking as innocent as ever. But wait for it, what is that? Is that a toy hand on its paw? Oh my gosh, this cat is about to give someone a high five or maybe a high four.
What are you doing?
Don't know about you, but I'd hire this cat as my personal bodyguard. Look at that face. That classic cat move one moment, it's chill. The next, it's in full-on ninja mode. You never know what's coming next with these guys. Honestly, this cat has more personality than most people I know. If you think your cat could out-funny this one, drop a comment below and let's see those videos. Don't forget to smash that like button if you laughed, subscribe for more feline fun, and ring that bell so you never miss a cat-tastic moment. Until next time, keep those tails high and those cameras rolling.